Hi everyone, welcome to day 24 of the 31 Day to Get Organised challenges, and today it's all about the linen cupboard, or as we call it in Australia, the linen press. Now, this is way more than a 10-minute challenge, and if you're up for doing the whole thing, go for it. But otherwise, I just want you to do one shelf. Drag everything off a shelf, get rid of the things you don't need or use or want, and donate them to a local pet shelter or somewhere similar, and see how beautiful one organised shelf can be. That may spur you on. Now, if that's not your thing, just reach deep into the back of a couple of shelves and pull out the stuff that's hiding in the back, because my guess is it's stuff you absolutely don't need or want. Now, let's see those before and after photos, and if there's high level of motivation today, go for the whole thing. I'd love to see it.